So in the board sessions, they're not networks, they're not just workshops where we go through specific problems. They are deep accountability dives. They are purposeful, they are blunt at times, quite raw conversations where our accountability is challenged at times. Our focus, our commitment to our previous commitments as well, and our action towards those previous commitments, we are held accountable, which is great from an objective perspective from people outside of our businesses. And they proper deep dives where we can get into some personal things, we get into some technical detail, and with the sole purpose of clarity, for us to leave with clarity and proper action items. There's very little fluff, not a lot of waffle. The way the board meetings are structured, it's very controlled, it's time watched, you've got an opportunity to present, you've got to be structured and concise. It's also a good learning curve. We generally, as business people, allow a little bit of the fluff and the talk to generate in some meetings. This is all down to what is the action? What are we doing about this? And we hold each other accountable to it. And even outside of our boards, we connect personally away from these sessions. We'll have conversations and chats. We can remind each other about the commitments that we made. And it certainly feels like a support structure gets built.